Across our area, tens of thousands of children ride the school bus every day.
That morning routine ended in a tragedy for one Union County family when their 7-year-old little boy was hit and killed. Nearly a decade later, his mother tells Channel 9's Allison Ladas she's still fighting for justice.
Laura Beagle told me living without her son Jonathan has been daily torture. He died trying to catch the bus, but his family and attorneys say that bus stop was dangerous. And for nearly the past decade, they've been fighting to hold the school system accountable.
The brightest blue eyes. He never met a stranger.
Like any proud mom, Laura Beagle loves talking about her little boy Jonathan. But with her pride, there's tremendous pain. She stopped adding photos to her collection nearly a decade ago.
There's a huge hole, and I think, what would he look like? How would he be? Who would he be? And I can't imagine him any older than 7.
In April 2010, Jonathan was hit by a van and killed while trying to catch the bus to Union Elementary School. This is Medlin Road. The speed limit here, 55 miles an hour. Jonathan had to cross one lane to reach his bus. And attorneys for his family say the bus route design had major flaws.
The spot where the bus stops to pick up Jonathan.
Attorneys Mike Daisley and Sam McGee say Union County Schools did not consider the speed of cars on this road in establishing the bus stop. From his driveway, Jonathan had to cross a lane of traffic to catch the bus. They also say oncoming traffic did not have enough of a warning that there was a bus stop. Buses are required to activate warning lights 300 feet before a stop, but Jonathan's bus turned right onto Medlin Road, less than 200 feet before his house. Attorneys also argue the bus driver was an experienced supervisor who should have noticed the potential danger but didn't change the route.
It was an oversight, but it was a very costly oversight.
Do you think the school system could have done more to protect your son?
Oh, yeah.
In 2012, Laura Beagle's attorneys sued the Union County Board of Education over the bus stop design.
To hold accountable persons who just simply did not act with the children's best interest.
The case went to the North Carolina Industrial Commission, which hears cases involving bus route design. 7 years later, this past April, Laura was awarded a $2 million verdict, the maximum allowed. But the North Carolina Attorney General's office has appealed, telling me the commission lacks jurisdiction. They also claim the bus driver's failure to report the alleged unsafe stop was not a cause of the injury to Jonathan Beagle or reasonably foreseeable it would cause Miss Beagle severe emotional distress. Beagle and her attorneys plan to fight the appeal. It won't bring back her son, but they hope their case sends a message to school systems far beyond Union County.
What you hope is that they will look at their procedures and they will take a critical look at the safety of their bus stops, not just this one county, but all of them.
You know, if you don't feel 100% comfortable with where your child's bus stop is or the procedures that they have to go through to get on that bus, question it.
7-year-old Jonathan was an organ donor. His kidneys, liver, lungs, and other organs saved many lives. The driver who hit Jonathan was not charged because attorneys say there was no evidence he committed the traffic violation of actually passing a stopped bus. But that driver's insurance company and Jonathan's family did reach a settlement.